Hi, I'm Marbel Bayambong of Mech Automotive, and today I'm joining the Turbo Plus class. I've been using AMSOIL since I started racing here sa FTW, and my engine, my car relies on the fluid kasi I know it's always good quality, consistent. It doesn't heat up, and my engine's protected. Even lap after lap after lap, it's always protected. In race conditions like this, oil temperatures and pressures are very important because that's the life of the engine. So, I've been using AMSOIL, and based on our own data, even after 6, 7, 8 hot laps on grid races, the oil temps stay the same and the pressures are the same, all on the safe zone. So, and then after the race, we check the oil, it's still good. This is my oil of brand of choice to go kasi we've been racing for a long time, endurance, drag racing, circuit, grid, and until now, no blown engines. Knock on wood. So ever since, coolant temps, oil temps, transmission, differential temps, all stay at the normal safe zone, even at full throttle, and that protects the car.
Hello, I'm Carlos Naidas in the Turbo Plus category. So very crazy, So different rivals per round. So some of the very fast guys, years na here. And one of my coaches din, naging rival ko din. So every out namin, napupush talaga ako. Actually, natatay ako every time when I see them on track. So yun yung push sa akin. So first season ko, first actually professional race season for me. So every round is new. Like for example, today it's wet. First time ko mag-wet track in all my life. So very nakakakaba. And very eventful. Every round may nangyayari. Every round may new learnings. And apparent naman siya doon sa every second na nahanap ko every round. Well, time attack is very lonely in a way na ikaw lang mag-isa, but having that rivalry at the back of your head every out mo, so it makes it very exciting. So every wrong move, nakakainis. Every right move naman din, excited ka to see your improvement and time.
Hello, it's me again. Hi, I'm Angelo Magtoto. People know me as Tots. And I joined the Unbound class with the Supra. And mid-season, I joined Turbo Plus with my brand new GR Corolla. Well, una-una kasi ang tagal ko na nandun sa open class eh. And parang ilan ba kami doon? 4, 5. And it's pa rin, talagang pushing the limit sa open class. Pero sa mas friendly yung competition kasi sa Turbo Plus. Kasi nandun, mas marami kami. And marami din dun friends ko. And the reason, well, for one, I want to see how my GR Corolla puts up with the other cars na sumasali sa Turbo Plus. So, given na stock pa siya, tires lang, brake pad. So, yun. Kasi, siyempre, bagong development car namin yan. I want to set a baseline muna. And, second, nandun yung friends ko. Siyempre, given naman, mas matuloy yung pace ko compared to them. Pero, I want to push them to be faster also. Specifically, Carlos Naidas. It's fun. Kasi you get to push them to be faster. Tapos, syempre, may friendly banter. Pero at the end of the day, we're all enjoying the competition. Yes, because syempre nag-start tayo na pa-track day lang with friends. Tapos, ikot-ikot lang, enjoy lang. And then ngayon, kahit competition na, magkakaibigan pa rin naman kayo. Or may mga bago ring friends. So, it's the same thing na, yun nga lang, syempre, ano na to, totoong competition na. Pero at the same time, you never forget to have fun and enjoy the track.